Santa Barbara. We've been flying for over 6 hours with a dog. We successfully made it to Santa Barbara. I can't wait to give y'all a vlog from this beautiful place. And it's our first time. I'm calling this our engagement moon. Is that a thing?
Outside, the water is beautiful.
You sound so scripted. Wow, everything looks great.
This is great. No,
we're gonna go explore. Yeah, we're staying at the Ritz.
They got a big campus on the beach.
It really is.
Yeah, it feels like we're in summer camp, but in villas.
Yeah, but in like a chic way.
Very chic.
But we just, oh, big burp in my face. We are on the balcony right now, and I'm gonna give you guys a room tour, and we're gonna go explore. I love it. I love the interior design here. I love the style. I love all the colors, the earthy colorways. It's gonna be a beautiful trip. We have this dressing room area over here. We have the closets, which is really nice and spacious. And then you have a giant mirror here. I'm still in my plane fit. We literally just got here. This is from Tuckernuck. And then my pants are the Brandy Melville flares. But we have this gorgeous large mirror. And then we have... Thank you. And then we have this sink area over here. I'm not sure why we have it, but hey, we love more space. Now we both get a vanity, which is really cool. And then going into the bathroom, we have another gorgeous vanity here with lots of storage. We have a blow dryer. So pretty. They just redid the rooms back in May. And then we have a full bathtub with a mirror and a bathrobe. And then we have also a standing shower, which is so spacious, so large, and so beautiful. And then we do have a bathroom. There's like lots of mirrors in here. Hi, vlog. You're in the seating area, which is so pretty. We have a fireplace, a TV. I'm gonna pan this way. Act natural. Are you excited? Welcome to Santa Barbara, your first time. We have a coffee station, dresser, nice big bed. We have a desk, which is pretty cool. Just really spacious. I'm not sure if the camera is really showing how big it is in here. And then we have a balcony. And it's not a small balcony. I would say this is like a terrace. And you can hear the birds chirping. It's really peaceful out here. And you can see the water out there in the distance. And then also over there. And it's so peaceful. Apparently there are some tennis courts like back over there. And then I think we're gonna head to the beach and just explore today. I'm gonna come out here in the mornings and drink coffee. Also, I love these chairs with the pillow. I think that's so gorgeous. I would love to incorporate that into my apartment for sure. I'm definitely gonna use inspiration from here for our new condo because I am seeing this trend everywhere, like on mirrors and on dressers, and I think it's so cute and it's just a little fun element. And oh, that's so cute with the headboard. And I just love mixing patterns, and I love that this hotel did it so well. So I'm taking major inspo from here. The lobby is so gorgeous. Lots of textures, lots of colors, lots of contrast. Spanish style throughout, especially in the lobby too. And all the beautiful arches. Just a lot of patterns that you wouldn't think that would go together, and like a lot of colors. And then when they are together, they contrast very nicely. Shopping in downtown Santa Barbara. This is cute. Is it? Free people? Yeah, let's go. So cute.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my god.
And also lobster.
Wow. Is it for shrimp? Thank you.
Oh boy. We have been shopping in downtown Santa Barbara all day. We just went to the most insane consignment store. It's called Renaissance Fine Consignment, and if you're in Santa Barbara, you have to go. I tried on a white Dior dress for $200, and they were closing. Sadly, I had like 15 minutes to shop, but the store is so big and so good. Probably the best consignment store I've truly ever been to, and the prices are so good. Good morning from Santa Barbarita. I got a large coffee this morning that has 3 shots in it, and I can't even finish it. It's like I'm already wired, and like that's all that I needed. Crazy. But we're going to the gym. We woke up early. We caught the sunrise on the beach, and then we're planning to go to Montecito today. And I'm gonna bring you guys along because we have a really fun reservation, and I'm so excited to go. But we're heading to the gym. Morning. So let's go. Blackened salmon salad, chicken tea. We are at the Rosewood. We went to lunch at San Ysidro, which was absolutely stunning. The property was beautiful, lunch was amazing, and then we just shopped around at the Montecito Country Mart, and then I think it's called like their Uptown, where they had like a few more shops, and it was super cute. We just walked around. They had a Doan store, they had Click, which they have one in New York and in the Hamptons that we're very familiar with, so it was really cute to like walk around. But now we're at the Rosewood and we're just gonna walk around. I didn't make like a lunch reservation or anything like that. I was going to, but then I'm like, you know what, let's just pop in because they have some designer stores. So we're just gonna go look at the property, and it looks absolutely stunning. So I'm really excited, and I'm gonna get some clips. It's our last day in Santa Barbara, and we are in Montecito right now. We went to the Post, and we were just in downtown Santa Barbara. We went back to the consignment store. Guys, I was there for like an hour, tried on so many things, didn't end up purchasing anything, but now we are at the Post. We're going to Little King Coffee, and then I think we're gonna go back to the hotel, chill for a little bit, and maybe get back out here.